Hi, I'm Latasha Gillespie, and I'm the head of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion for Amazon Studios. On behalf of all of Amazon, we are beyond excited to be able to sponsor and support this year's TAFLUNCH and TAF Varsity Lunch Break. My journey with TAF began about 3 years ago. Shortly after arriving to Amazon, TAF was one of the vendors at our Black History Month Business Expo. It was there that I learned about all of the great work that they were doing for students in the Seattle community. It was at that moment that I knew that I wanted to do more and I needed to do more. So I was really honored last year when TAF invited me to be the keynote speaker at their annual luncheon. See, TAF is preparing the next generation of vice presidents, engineers, scientists, mathematicians, and it's all of our responsibility as professionals that have navigated a path to success to reach back and help those students who need it the most. At Amazon, we believe it is critical for companies like us to invest in ensuring that all students, particularly students of color and students from low-income communities, have the opportunity to learn in an environment that's free of social economic barriers, the chance to explore careers with the support of industry professionals, and the confidence that they need to be successful and compete in both existing and emerging industries. See, we've realized that it's never too early to begin preparing students for college and careers. And we're happy that we've been able to contribute to this through the TSP Partnership Program, where Amazon volunteers teach TAF students to code, provide classroom guest speakers, STEM expo judges, all while allowing students to see their inner workings of corporate environments through site visits, and also by supporting TAF faculty as well. And by supporting events like this, hosting TAF's virtual luncheon tonight. I'm excited to be along for this journey with TAF, and I'm happy that you've decided to join in on this journey too. See, the journey that TAF has chosen to change the way public education serves students isn't an easy one. But with you, me, Amazon, and all of our collective organizations and corporations together, we can make that journey just a little bit easier. Stay tuned to see how this journey is impacting students and teachers' lives. And again, thanks always for your support.